Chrome hearts. Yeah. Just found a Fendi. Ooh. Little Carhartt overall with double knee. What kind is this? All right, chat. We are finally back. I got a new camera. Went ahead and upgraded on your ass. Hey, you talking about? Good on a little reliable. We're gonna see what we find today. And maybe we might find my old camera. I don't know. I didn't find it last time. I literally spent like 2 hours trying to find it and I did not find it. But that's just how it goes. Charge it to the game. We're at the expensive section. You never know. Ooh. You never know what you're gonna find. These LRGs. Ooh, 1951. I don't know. We're gonna put these in the big. Might take these. I don't know.
It's a nice.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah, everything in here is nice. That's why I'm in here too. I'm just trying to get the shop on.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Let's see what we find.
Have a good day.
You too, man. Got some women's South Pole.
¿Es de macho eso? ¿Es de macho? ¿De revuelta?
Ooh. Wonder Woman vintage t-shirt. I don't know, it's a 2XL. Honestly, 2XL has not been moving for me lately. I don't know. Probably not gonna take this. Come across this Polo Ralph Lauren sweater. Extra large. Pretty nice. Nice and soft. I might take it. I think I might have to take this one. For $6, can't beat it. But we are at G-Dub. We're gonna see what we find here. Sometimes I find some stuff, most of the time I don't. But first I need to go pee. I'll pee afterwards. Let me check the, let's check the jeans first.
You know you can get it.
At the Super Bowl, yep.
I don't know what you're
All right, chat. Chrome hearts. Pretty nice.
Yeah, I like it.
Mm-hmm. I wonder if this is real though. Chrome hearts. Chat, what y'all think? Is this real? Look, chrome hearts right there. I don't know. Size small. Do they come with this? Let's do some further investigation. I'm about to look it up right now. This is not bad. Little chrome hearts piece. Ooh. We're gonna look it up and see if this is real. Guys, I don't think the chrome hearts is real. I think this is boo-boo. But I'm gonna still make some content out of it. Found a little Nike Tech hoodie. Definitely gonna take this one. But yeah, I don't think this is real. I was looking at the text. Well, the first indication was this was peeling. You know, like most of the time these high-end stuff, they do pretty good at keeping the quality. Then I looked at the tag. Everything looked good until this. Chrome Heart does not have that, fam. Like, come on now. And I was also using my handy dandy, you know, Google. Doesn't seem like it was good, so I'm probably gonna leave it. Right, nothing so far. Oh, Carhartt. Little Carhartt overall with double knees. Yo, what size is this? For $10, I might have to take this, not gonna lie. But what's the size? Yeah, I didn't find the size, but I think there's like a medium, maybe a small. Whoever had this before tore off the little tag, so. But for $10, that's not bad. I found one of these before, but I've never found it complete. This one has everything, look. Little Miami Dolphins, 1994 little piece. I had to take this. Ooh. Ooh. 1451 is crazy work though. I might have to do it now. Alright, came up on this Rockaware little purse, hand purse, whatever, I don't know. It looks nice though, it should move. Depop, girlies should eat this up. Tight shit. But that's it, we're gonna go to the next thrift store, so we're gonna see you over there. Alright, I was gonna skip G-Dub and go straight to Value Village, but that would be a crime. Like, it's literally on the way over there. Like, what if I just find a Kurt Cobain t-shirt right now? I gotta come and see, man. You never know what you're gonna find. I sound like a gambling addict, bro. Well, I indeed did not find a Kurt Cobain t-shirt. I'm sorry. I should have just went to Valley Village. Goodwill getting that golden hour. All right, let's go see. We need something from here, bro. We literally have not found too much today. A little pony. That big pony, cheap type. Little Tennessee River 90s tag. I didn't lose my mind. I sold it on eBay. Hey, yo, this is pretty cool. Yeah, I'm definitely taking this. Ooh, little Carolina Panthers. 1993. All right, take that. Guys, I forgot my little clip, so y'all not getting POV, but came up on this jerseys, extra large, Wiseman Still Seek Him, Jesus Nativity type of sweater. It did 1989. Definitely gonna take this. All right, chat, I got this little Givenchy track jacket. For the fact, the day that I lost my original camera, which all the footage, I found the complete set, but that one is like so good. Yesterday was like 14 degrees here in Atlanta, and I did not feel not one bit. And this is just another colorway. Look at that little Givenchy on that activewear Givenchy tag. I might have to take this one just to have one. Just found a Fendi cap for $1.99. We're taking this for sure. I mean, you can tell it's real. I just know it. Good and low come up. No biggie. All right, guys, I feel like we're gonna find some good stuff today. Not gonna lie, last week did not do me too good. Jordan Bomber. Oh, yeah, we're taking this for sure. Look at that. For all the quarter zip matcha sipping distinguished gents.
There's straight quarter zips and matchas around here.
All right, chat, I left this here last week and it's still here in order to get it for half off. I think I found this another day actually, and they had put $12, but it was like really stained and stuff. So I told them if they could mark it down, and the lady came back out and marked it up and put it at his. So yeah, that was an epic fail, but I'm gonna take it today because now it's 50% off. Nike Tech bottom, probably gonna take these too. Yeah, I'm taking this. I'm taking this. This one guy that be watching my TikToks around here, he asked me how much I would do for the Carhartt. It's $20 basically. But I told him to give me 40, and then he'll just pay another 20 on top once he gets his register. So like $60. $60 for the Carhartt is not that bad, not gonna lie to y'all. But he said he's gonna let me know. Cash out. And just like that, Carhartt's gone. Another little Nike Tech. We're gonna take this too. Yeah. Ooh, fruit. Look at this old fruit of the moon. Shepherd's flock. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to give you hope in the future. Oh, this is nice. In a world of despair, there is hope. Jesus Christ. Little 90s fruit of the loom. Jesus sweatshirt. You're pretty nice. All right, chat, we got a bag full of goodies. And I mean, if technically I only paid $15 for this whole bag, cause I sold a Carhartt jacket for 40 and everything else is just straight profit. So good little day today. Not gonna lie to y'all. Could I have sold the Carhartt for more? Yes, but it's all about cash flow. Remember that. I literally made $40 just in 5 minutes, cause I looked at the item, I asked for it. I didn't even pay for it, nothing. So to me, that's a win. I think that's gonna be it for this week's video actually. Sorry I did not upload last week. As you guys know, I lost my camera with like a whole week's full of footage. So I had to start all over with this week's footage. And I'll probably start editing this tomorrow. But thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.